Hi, today I will tell you how to do coding. If we are going to make this reset, when we press on run, it will go like this. Then it has to go.
Whoa!
So let's start making it. Now open a new window. Open code.org. Code.org. Now enter. Now you first log in into code.org. Then tap on create. Open Sprite Lab. This will be already made for you. Go to world. Take out set background. Set background to desert. And make new sprite at 200. Now you don't have a girl and spaceship. So go on more. Vehicles. Take this spaceship. Wait. And then this spaceship will come here. There's a small lollipop here. Tap on it. And then wherever you move your mouse, it comes with you. So place it here in the corner, bottom corner, and click. So it will be there and it won't move. Now go to sprites. Make new sprite. Now we have to change the bunny. Now go on more, like we did. Now go on characters. Take this girl. She will come here. Now again tap on the lollipop. Put her on the opposite side. Now go to actions. There will be a block named move. There will be a rabbit. Move the sprite 10 pixels north. Take it out. And oops. Now make the sprite this bunny. And go the bunny, this girl, and go to events. Take when up pressed and take this left for here and take west here. We had taken left when left pressed. Move 10 pixels west. Now change it to, let's try 30. Run. It's still going slowly. Let's reset and change and make it bigger. 30 to 60. Nope, not 600. Run. Now it's not working. Let's try 100 now. Run. Maybe 2. Now 200. Maybe. Set. Run. It's working. Now make it to 200. Just I'll carry it a little bit up. Now go to sprite. No, even. Then take when the bunny touches carrot, take that one. Now change the bunny to this girl and change the carrot to the spaceship. Now go to sprites, take remove bunny and place it over here. and remove the girl. Now let's try our code. Okay, and then it will start moving towards north. Now go to behaviors. Take sprite begins. This spaceship sprite begins moving north. And then go again towards take set background city. We have to take galaxy because when it goes up, it will go into the galaxy. Now let's try our code. Yay, it's working! Okay, thanks. In the next video, I will show you how to make us more things about this. We will make a cloud. It will then we will make it move up, down, right, left like this. And when it will, this part we have done, then we will make new sprite of alien. It will be coming down, and it will when the alien spaceship touches our girl spaceship, we have to remove the spaceship and change costume to the explosion.